Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. I've completed two apps with the help of Raspberry Pi and for Microsoft 365 services, Teams and PowerApps. With the PowerApps, you'll be able to control devices, and then for the Teams Presence app, wherein it automatically switches the light based on your team presence. So let's go ahead and watch the quick demo on the apps. So here, this is the Raspberry Pi, which is connected to a breadboard through an GPIO extension cable. And on here there are two lights, light number 1 and light number 2. So here, it's a canvas app. It has got two controls, toggle controls. The first control is for light number 1, and then the second control is for light number 2. I'm going to turn on the light number 1. The light is turned on, and I'm going to turn on the light number 2. The light 2 is turned on. I'm going to turn off the light number 2. It's turned off. I'm now going to turn off the light number 1. So this is the first app. Now let's go ahead and see the second app, which is the Teams Presence light. So right now, if you look at my status on my screen, it is do not disturb, and that is why the light was red, the presence light, and I'm going to change it to available. So with this presence, the green light has to be turned on, and the red light will be turned off. As you can see here on the breadboard, it has got green now. So let's go ahead and quickly change to another status to busy again, which will be red. You can see here on the breadboard, it has got red light and the green is turned off automatically. With the PowerApps, I've turned on the LEDs, a low powered LED. But if you want to control an high powered device, with the help of this relay module, you'll be able to achieve that. And if you're able to come to this level, and it's going to be easy for you to control a high powered device. So let's now quickly see the architecture of the PowerApps. So here is the PowerApp, which sends a signal to the .NET Core application running on a Raspberry Pi through a custom connector, which calls an Azure Function, and then the Azure Function sends a message to the IoT hub, and with this the light gets turned on or turned off based on the signal in the PowerApps. And all the development for this app is done using a desktop client using SSH. So I'm remotely connected to the Raspberry Pi using SSH client. So let's now see the architecture of the second app, the Teams Presence Lite. So here there is a .NET Core application running on a Raspberry Pi, which has got a device code flow for MS Graph, which polls the MS Graph presence endpoint once in 5 seconds, and based on that the light is turned on based on the different presence status. Hope you found these apps interesting, and if you want to know more with the setup and the code, join my session which is happening on 17th of October. Thank you so much.